everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kitsune Udon. Kitsune Udon literally translates fox udon noodles, but it has nothing to do with fox. It's called Kitsune Udon just because the brown color of the topping is like a fox. The topping is aburage or deep fried tofu cooked in savory broth. So to make Kitsune Udon, you need to cook the udon noodles, you need to make the broth, and then you need to cook the aburage topping. So it's a little bit of work, but it is worth trying. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this Kitsune Udon, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 frozen udon noodles. For the broth, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon salt. For the aburage topping, aburage deep fried tofu, I have 4 today, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin. And I also have Naruto fish cake and green onion to garnish. I'm making aburage topping, the fox part of this dish first. So aburage, it's microwave. It's just a little bit to loosen the oil. So it's lukewarm. It's not too hot, just lukewarm. Prepare kitchen paper. Put aburage between the kitchen paper and roll it out. This is to remove excess oil. Let's do the other 2 too. You can remove a lot of oil by doing this. Let's cut them in half and put them into the frying pan. 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons sugar. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat as you flip them over from time to time until you see almost no broth left. I'm using the back side of the cooking chopsticks, not this pointy side, because this pointy side can easily make holes. Just keep cooking until there is almost no broth left. So I cooked it like 5 minutes and there is almost no broth left. So let's turn the heat off and just put it aside. Now I'm preparing the other 2 toppings. Naruto fish cake. Just take it out from the package and make some thin diagonal slices. I made 8, 2 per person. And green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and slice thinly. Let's put them in small bowls. And all the toppings are ready, so I'm making broth. 4 cups of water into the pot. 1 tablespoon hondashi instant Japanese soup stock. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 tablespoons mirin. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. And just bring it to boil and the broth is ready. So easy. Prepare plenty of boiling water and let's cook the udon noodles by following the instruction on the package. Looks good, so let's drain. Okay, let's serve. Some udon noodles into the bowl. The broth I made earlier. Aburage. Naruto fish cake. Green onion. Kitsune udon is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。Some noodles. And aburage, the fox. So juicy and so savory. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Kitsune udon is like a combination of rice, noodles in this case, soup, and the main dish, so let's put it here and nothing here and here. For one of the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. To add some more protein to the meal, I think I want to have tamagoyaki Japanese omelette for the other side dish. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!